Turkey is also a very fertile place in terms of winter holidays, and ERCIYES is among the top places to go for skiing in Turkey, where many ski resorts are located. ERCIYES Ski Resort has become a popular winter holiday route among local and foreign ski enthusiasts in recent years, with its affordable prices, ease of transportation and proximity to Cappadocia. In this video, you will find all the information about ERCIYES Ski Resort and be able to plan your holiday correctly. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Where is ERCIYES Ski Resort? Located within the provincial borders of Kayseri, ERCIYES Ski Resort is 25 kilometers from the city center and 30 kilometers from Kayseri ERCIYES Airport. Although the ski center is located at an altitude of 3,900 meters, the altitude at the location of the ski facilities is between 2,500 and 3,500 meters. How to get to ERCIYES Ski Resort? It is very easy to reach ERCIYES Ski Center, which is 25 minutes away from Kayseri Airport, and there are flights connecting to Istanbul at different times. You can also reach the town center with minibus services that run frequently throughout the day. In addition, there are also bus services between Kalyanu and ERCIYES Ski Center that continue throughout the ski season. If you are coming with your personal vehicle, Hisarcık Gate is in a more preferable location as it is quieter. Kayseri ERCIYES Ski Resort directions. For the easiest route, rental car or transfer, you can contact ERCIYES Ski Resort via WhatsApp on their official website 0533 254 60 64 and get support for the most suitable, short and easy directions. When does ERCIYES ski season open? Compared to other ski resorts in Turkey, the season opens earlier in ERCIYES Ski Resort. At the same time, the winter season closes later because the snow remains on the ground for a long time. The season opens at the beginning of December and continues until May, but the season opening dates may vary depending on the snow depth every year. It's busiest season during the semester break, and on New Year's Eve, it can be an alternative New Year's option with its affordable prices and snowy slopes that are not missing throughout the season, unlike many ski resorts. Apart from this, in order to make the ski holiday more enjoyable and to stay away from the crowd, it is useful to plan a weekday holiday. In this way, you can enjoy your holiday to the fullest as both the slopes and the hotels will be less crowded. You bought your ticket months ago and are planning a nice ski holiday. But the weather may worry you about this. No need to panic, because 75% of ERCIYES Ski Resort is fed with artificial snow reinforcement throughout the season and the tracks are made ready for skiing. Tracks of ERCIYES Ski Center. ERCIYES Ski Resort appeals to many people with its tracks of different difficulty levels. ERCIYES Ski Resort, which consists of 34 different tracks of 102 kilometers, has 4 different gates. With its Hasseler, Devilay, Tekir and Hisarcık gates, you do not feel the crowd even in the busiest season in such a large area. The tracks are divided into categories as red, black and blue according to their difficulty levels, and the facilities and gates are all connected to each other. In addition, the ski school and cafes are located in Tekir Gate. While the shortest runway is 300 meters, the longest runway is 2,575 meters long. In addition, there are 2 professional ski slopes and it offers the opportunity to ski from 3,400 meters to 2,200 meters. It is mandatory to wear a helmet on the tracks. However, the ski resort is constantly monitored by professional security teams at the intermediate and main stations. ERCIYES Ski Resort Hotels. ERCIYES Ski Center, with its proximity to the city center, also offers the alternative of staying in the center for guests who will visit here. Hotels in the ski resort are a bit more expensive than Kayseri hotels. On the other hand, if you are staying in the center, you can come directly to Hisarcık with the morning and evening shuttles provided by the hotels to the ski resort, and return to your hotel after skiing all day. So, you can choose your holiday either in ERCIYES Center or ERCIYES Ski Resort. Those who want a mountain hotel can choose a city hotel. Hotel prices vary between $100 and $500 on average. In this regard, it is useful to get detailed information about hotels when planning your holiday. Let us give you a few hotel suggestions where you can stay in ERCIYES Ski Resort. Radisson Blu Hotels, Murata Hotels and Resorts, X Mountain Lodge ERCIYES, Magna Hotels, Library Hotel ERCIYES. How much is ERCIYES entrance fee? The cable car fares in ERCIYES Ski Resort attract attention with their affordable prices compared to other ski resorts. First of all, let's talk about what Ski Pass is. Ski Pass is a ticket/card system that allows the use of tracks and chairlifts for snowboarding or skiing in ski resorts. By using this card, you can benefit from transportation systems such as cable cars, teleskis and chairlifts. There is a single ticket valid for all tracks that you can use throughout the season. You use it as 1, 7, 14 rides, not as an unlimited ski pass. We conducted a price research for those who will go to ERCIYES Ski Center in the 2023 to 2024 winter season. Accordingly, ERCIYES Ski Center 2024 fees are as follows. 1 exit ticket price for ages 13 and over, 60 TL. 7 exits ticket price for ages 13 and over, 300 TL. 14 exits ticket price for ages 13 and over, 430 TL. 30 exits ticket price for ages 13 and over, 830 TL. 50 exits ticket price for ages 13 and over, 1200 TL. If you are between the ages of 0 to 12, ticket prices are discounted by 20%. Marching Band 5 exit ticket price, 80 TL. Marching Band 10th exit ticket price, 150 TL. Summit Climb 1 ascent fee, 50 TL. Children's Playground fee, 50 TL. Daily Rental Locker fee, 50 TL. ERCIYES Ski Resort Ticketing General Rules. Ski ticket prices include the cost of the pass. Tickets cannot be used consecutively. It can be used every 5 minutes. Each skier must buy a ticket, shared tickets are not available. And used rides and tickets cannot be transferred to the next season. It is not possible to enter the facilities on foot with skier tickets. There are no refunds or exchanges for sold tickets. In case the ticket is lost or damaged in any way, the card renewal process will be carried out for 40 TL upon presentation of the information slip showing the serial number on the ticket. It is not possible to renew tickets whose serial number is not shared. Pedestrian tickets are free for the 0 to 12 age group. Children age 7 to 12 are ticketed/adults age 13 and over are ticketed. For skier tickets, 0 to 12 age group is ticketed as a child ticket/13 years old and over is ticketed as an adult. Ticket refunds cannot be accepted when facilities have to be closed during the day due to adverse weather conditions, unavoidable malfunctions or unforeseen circumstances. The user has the right to use that ticket on another day. Those who behave in a way that threatens the safety of others will have their tickets cancelled and are prohibited from using the track and facilities. Each guest is obliged to present their tickets to the staff on duty when requested. Penalty will be applied if fake or expired ticket usage is detected. How much are the ski equipment fees at ERCIYES Ski Resort? It is very important to use appropriate equipment while skiing and snowboarding. If you do not have your own equipment, many ski resorts and hotels provide equipment rental and purchasing services. At this point, you can benefit from 3 different locations in ERCIYES Ski Center: Zumrat Mega Rental, Hilton Ski Lounge, Zumrat Takir Copy. 2024 equipment rental fees. Ski equipment rental, 200 TL. Snowboard team, 250 TL. Trousers plus coat, 150 TL. Gloves, 50 TL. Glasses, 50 TL. Helmet, 50 TL. How much are the lesson fees at ERCIYES Ski Resort? ERCIYES Ski Center offers ski lessons for both adults and children, as well as group training and semester break-specific training programs. In addition, training is provided for all age groups and levels by professional instructors. In this way, you can have the opportunity to improve yourself both technically and practically, from beginner to advanced level. For 2024 year, 1 hour for one person is 900 TL. Fees for 2 people drop to 1,400 TL, offering a more advantageous price. ERCIYES Ski Resort Food and Drink. You've been skiing all day and now you're tired. Now you're looking for a budget-friendly place where you can relieve the tiredness of the day and eat delicious food. You can delight your palate with the unique sausage, pastrami, ravioli, oil and cat mare of Kayseri cuisine. You can stop by Cardanidum Cafe Restaurant, run by Kayseri Municipality. The restaurant consists of 3 sections: fast food, a la carte Kayseri cuisine and bakery section. The prices are reasonable and the presentations are nice. The only minus is that it closes at 1700 hours. You can have a nice meal here and then drink something hot. In addition to the large restaurants at the entrance of Tekir, there are also restaurants and cafes at the Hassler Gate and Hasarsik Gate locations. There are also cafes and restaurants at various stations of the mountain. If you do not want to spend too much time eating and drinking and want to have a quick snack, there are food stations throughout the ski resort where you can eat sausage/meatballs and bread. The prices are more reasonable than other ski resorts, but if you prefer it to be more economical, you can bring your thermos with you and drink your tea or coffee, and have a barbecue in the free picnic areas in the Tekir area. What activities can we do in ERCIYES Ski Resort? In ERCIYES, you can also take the cable car to high points, rent a sled from there, and enjoy the view as you go down. Another option would be to take a walk in the snow. You can leave yourself in the arms of nature and watch the mountain view on the hiking trails separated from the ski slopes. Thanks to the affordable ski resorts and sports academies in ERCIYES Ski Center, you can take the first step in Kayseri even if you do not have ski or snowboard training before. Be sure to try different activities such as ATV, snowmobile, snow bike or safari at the ski resort. You can enjoy this type of winter sports even more, especially if you come to ERCIYES Ski Center with a large group of friends or your family. You can closely see the horses raised in Hermetsi village, located on the foothills of ERCIYES, and witness the magnificent views. Bringing together winter sports and entertainment, Red Bull Jump and Freeze adds color to winter sports in ERCIYES with various shows and fun costumes. The contestants, who show their creativity and show off their coolest jump by sliding down the 50-meter track, flying from the ramp, with the costumes and equipment they designed themselves, defy the cold and jump into the icy water. We recommend that you lose weight before heading to Kayseri, because the foods, sausages, breads and pastries you will eat in Kayseri are delicious. Night skiing is done every day during the semester break. In normal times, ski events are held on Friday and Saturday evenings. Kayseri ERCIYES A.S., which broke new ground by bringing world trends in winter sports to Turkey, introduced our country to snow volleyball for the first time by hosting the Snow Volleyball European Cup, which was organized in 2017 to 2018 and 2019 and is the most popular of the recent period. Of course, we all prefer to go to Mount ERCIYES to ski, play snowballs and soar into infinity with the cable car. But the activities to be held on Mount ERCIYES are not limited to these only. Especially in the spring months, you can take nature walks and rest your soul in the clean mountain air. If you are also interested in photography, the view of Mount ERCIYES is just for you. The exquisite colors and dazzling beauty of spring flowers are waiting for you. ERCIYES Ski Center Children's Playgrounds. Children's playgrounds at Hassler and Tekir Copy, baby care room, changing rooms and rental lockers at Hassler and Tekir Copy, climbing walls at Hassler and Tekir Copy, and zip line, which has been used with great excitement in recent years, serve at Hassler Copy. The full address of ERCIYES Ski Resort is ERCIYES Ma. ERCIYES Boulevard, Tekiryelasi No, 11 Melikotsi Kayseri, Turkey. Telephone number 0352 342 39 17. We have come to the end of our video. Do not forget to leave your questions and opinions about this wonderful ski resort in the comments section. And you can also thank us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We wish everyone a nice holiday.